Hola, this is Francis Villalba from SpanishNotary.com. How many times we have heard about how complicated is the Spanish administration system? Today we are going to talk about this, the administration process of moving to Spain. Moving to Spain can be an exciting time, but it also can be a bit daunting, especially when it comes to the administration process. There is a lot of paperwork and bureaucracy to deal with, but it's important to stay organized and take things one step at a time. Here is a more detailed overview of the administration process of moving to Spain. Before you move, you need to get a visa. If you are not a citizen of an EU country, you will need to get a visa to move to Spain. The type of visa you will need depends on your purpose for moving to Spain, such as working, study, or retirement. You can apply for a visa at a Spanish embassy or consulate in your home country, or here in Spain if you are on holidays for a nomad visa. Gather all your documents. There are a number of documents that you will need to provide when you move to Spain, including your passport, visa, birth certificate, marriage certificate, education certificate. You will also need to prove accommodation and financial means. Translate all your documents. All of your documents must be translated into Spanish by the certified translator. You will find a list of those translators in the website of the embassy where you live. Get an NI number. An NI number is a foreign identification number that is required for many administrative tasks in Spain, such as open a bank account or getting a job. You can apply for an NI number at a police station or at the Spanish embassy or consulate in your home country. Once you arrive to Spain, register with the local authorities. Once you arrive in Spain, you will need to register with those local authorities where you live. This is known as empadronamiento. You can register at your local town hall ayuntamiento. Open a bank account. Having a Spanish bank account is essential for your living in Spain. You will need your NI number or your passport to open a bank account. Get health insurance. If you are not a Spanish citizen or a citizen of another EU country, you will need to get your private health insurance. You can also get health insurance through the Spanish public health care system, but there is a waiting period for non-EU citizens. Get a drive license if applicable. If you want to drive in Spain, you will need to get a Spanish drive license. You can exchange your foreign drive license for a Spanish drive license, or you can take a drive test in Spain. Enroll your children in a school. If you have children, you will need to enroll them in a school in Spain. You can enroll your children in a public school, a private school, or an international school. Additional tips. You must be patient. The Spanish bureaucracy can be slow and frustrating, but it's important to be patient and persistent. Learn some basic Spanish. This will help you to communicate with the authorities and to understand the paperwork. Ask for help. There are many organizations that can help you with the administration process of moving to Spain. You can find a list of these organizations on the website of the Spanish Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation. Moving to Spain can be a rewarding experience, but it's important to be prepared to the administration process. By following the tips above, you can make the process as smooth as possible. Here are some additional tips for dealing with the Spanish bureaucracy. Make an appointment. Many government offices require appointments, so it is important to make an appointment before you go. Bring all the required documentation. When you go to a government office, be sure to bring all the required documents. This will help to avoid delays. Be persistent. If you are having trouble with a particular task, don't give up. Keep trying and eventually you will succeed. Moving to Spain can be a great experience, and the administration process is just part of the journey. By being prepared and patient, you can make the process as smooth as possible. I hope this video will help you to do the whole process on your own. But if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me by phone, calling me to this phone number, or email me to this email address here. Hope you have a nice day and see you soon in the next video.